So now let's see how we can work around with posterize and color to alpha option inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the posterize and color to alpha option, first of all, you need to go around onto the colors menu right here. And over here, you can see that posterize is an option. So if I were to go around and click on posterize, then I get more of a poster color, as you can see right here. So you can see that the colors mash up and they become more even right here. If I were to go around and change the level of posterize, then I get more colors right here, like 19 colors and 20 colors, 20 level of colors and so forth. But if I were to go for 2, then I only get 2 level of colors, 3 level of colors, 4 level of colors, 5 level of colors and so forth, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and then let's say, for example, utilize the blending mode right here to blend it out with the original image as well, or replace it entirely as well. You can also change around the opacity, and you can see the before and after by using preview. You can press OK to apply the effect right here. So this is what you have. Apart from that, what you can also do is you can change colors to alpha. That is, you can go around onto colors, go for colors to alpha right here, just like this, and you can choose a color to make it transparent right here, and you can see the background right here becoming transparent. You can also go around over here and choose a specific color like blue right here, just like this, and that becomes transparent right here. You can also go around and take a sample right here. Let's say, for example, I clicked on this particular area and that particular color becomes transparent. So I can go around over here and then click right here. Let's say, for example, click on this and then click around over here, and that becomes transparent right here, just like this. So I can also change around the transparent threshold level right here so that I can increase out the transparency for that particular color. And you can see that you can entirely remove it out right there. You can also change around the opacity threshold right here, just like this, and entirely make it transparent as well, just like this. You can change around the opacity, and of course you can go around and then blend it, but it doesn't really make sense to blend it out. You can see the preview right here, press OK, and then you get the transparency just like that as well. So that is how you can work around with posterize and color to alpha option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.